Annie, so I'm on the viewer side and on the vendor store page, and the issue is here that when we click on the sidebar, the vendor categories bar on the sidebar, it don't work. As you can see, it's not filtering the products as I have chosen. I guess yeah, grocery on the sidebar. It's working on the brand to table, yeah, but not on the grid view. I guess this is because this sidebar is coming from token functions, so which is not like compatible with this URL. Since we have customized the URL and removed the shop term from the URL. In fact, this our custom drop-down menu is working, but not the token one. So this was the issue I was talking about. If I go to locally, and if we switch it to grid view, okay. So at the moment it's showing all the products. Now let's click on grocery. Yeah, it's not working. Now let's put shop in the URL. Okay, now it's working. So the issue is we are removing the shop and the products are not filtering. So that's the issue. Grocery. Okay, let's remove this one. Yeah, it's working with the drop-down menu we have created, but not with the sidebar.